Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the speaker can accept microphone input or has an AUX in with mic pass-through. Many consumer speakers don't, so check specs now. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone or computer and set it to discoverable so pairing is instant. Make sure the speaker is charged above 50% and sits within 10 meters for reliable connection. This prevents dropouts. You want minimal latency, so prioritize direct Bluetooth pairing versus multi-hop or hub setups. Now pair the devices. In your phone or PC Bluetooth settings, select the speaker and choose a hands-free or headset profile when prompted. That profile routes microphone audio. After pairing, open sound settings and explicitly set the speaker as both input and output device so your voice travels through it. If the speaker lacks microphone capability, use an external mic into the speaker's AUX in and then disable Bluetooth output. This forces the speaker to act as a pass-through. Test with a recording or call to confirm levels. Finish by running a recorded test and then a live call. Listen for latency, clipping, or echo so you can adjust. If the level is low, raise the mic gain in your system or app and lower speaker volume to avoid feedback. Once everything sounds good, lock settings and repeat the test. If it fails, switch Bluetooth profiles, restart devices, update speaker firmware, or use a wired microphone as a fallback. This single troubleshooting step solves most incompatibility issues, since not all speakers support mic in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.